Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Manila. We are now taxiing to the Manila Domestic Airport Terminal A for your proper disembarkation. Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop, and do not stand up to get your bags or go to the lavatories until you are advised to do so. Once again, in accordance with civil aviation regulation, cellular phones must not be switched on until you are inside the terminal building. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you and have a great day. On behalf of your flight deck crew, Captain Riamon and First Officer Agudo, your cabin crew, Earl and Twinkle, this is Jing thanking you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Tayo po ay patungo sa Manila Domestic Airport, Terminal A para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at huwag po lamang tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan o pumunta sa mga palikuran hanggang tayo ay nabigyan ng pahintulot na bumaba. Panatilihing nakasara ang inyong mga cellular phones hanggang kayo ay nasa loob na ng terminal building. Maraming salamat po.